Started out with half and I flipped it into double. Started out with half and I flipped it into double.
Said I'm a gym, we gotta go. Take one, then I dash away from Popo.
Yeah.
Snakes around my grass, they want my dodo. But I keep a 40, they don't know. Got the Henny, you get cold.
Hey dreamers, it's Maya and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you guys another wig review from a vendor on Amazon.com. Okay, this wig is by Dorsey Hair. And this is the Dorsey Hair lace front wig, synthetic, 24 inches, 1B, heat resistant, and this is what it looks like. Oh, can you guys see that? So yeah, the really interesting thing about a lot of these vendors, and I feel like they're all like low-key from like similar, like the same factories or something. But anyways, this is from Dorsey Hair on Amazon, and this wig retails for $39.90, which is absolutely amazing because you get free 2-day shipping with Amazon Prime. And honestly, $40 for a synthetic wig of this quality is really good. So this has it's got ear-to-ear lace, 2 clips. Is there one in the back? There's not one in the back, but there's a couple inches of parting space. And it had pre-cut, set out baby hairs, but I, went in and finessed it a little bit more. The hair is super soft. The curls are gorgeous. Now, honestly, this wig probably isn't going to last me a super long time. Granted, I shouldn't sleep in it and like do crazy wild things in it and like black out and roll in bushes and stuff in it like I do with all my other wigs, but that was probably what's going to happen. Curly wigs are already really hard to maintain. Curly synthetic wigs are actually really hard to maintain and keep together, so $40 is a really good price for the life that you're gonna get, because once it starts to tangle and mat together, there's like kind of no bringing these curls back to life. But for this is like a really cute moment, fresh out of the package moment. Like, the hair is so freaking soft right now. So honestly, I recommend this wig. This is a wig I would recommend. The lace is good, the quality is good. Haven't really experienced too much shedding, and honestly, you can tell it's just gorgeous, and it's really easy to work with, and it looks like human hair, unlike some of the wigs I reviewed in the past. So if you would like to see me slay this wig and install it and just see how I got it to look the way it does, keep on watching. But I gotta get the F out of here because I have plans across the streets. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
half and I flipped it in a double. Started out with half and I flipped it in a double.
Said time again, we gotta go. Take one, then I dash away from Popo.
Yeah.
Snakes around my grass, they want my dodo. But I keep a 40, they don't know, no. Got the Henny, you get cocoa. Smoke on Reggie, that's a no-no. Driving slow-mo in the photo. Bitches ready for them photos.
There's a lot of things on my mind, yeah. Stacking money like 365. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real.
Don't say you get money, boy, you been broke. Digit dash up in my circle, you can roll. Only cash up in my vision in the south. Now I'm smashing on the model cause I bought.
Hey,
Cause there's cream, I'ma take the team. We gon' be hot like steam. I just got the dreams, I know what you mean. It's all funny to the feet, I get 50 to my G.
hey.